Hello, my dear second PUC champions. Welcome to the class. Today I'm here to talk about your list of questions, those 6 questions that you can solve and prepare in the best way for your FA1. Okay, so I am going to take the questions of all these chapters together: continuity and differentiability. We'll start with this, then we'll have matrices and determinant, relation and function, ITF. Okay, and if we solve all these questions comfortably, okay, and if you follow what I'm gonna tell you in this particular class, in this particular session, then yes, you can score out in maths. That's not a problem. Okay, it's completely possible. The questions are not that difficult. Okay, and if anything other thing you need from me, just let me know that in the comment section. Okay, means sir, I need this special also for this particular chapter, and this is my exam date. Let me know if you have any requirement as such in the comment section. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Second PUC FA1 list of questions alongside with of course, the most important question alongside with the solutions also. I'll give you solutions also, how can you study and solve all these questions with me. All right, so if you're ready, let's start with the questions right now. So first we'll talk about the questions of the chapter continuity and differentiability. Okay, so let's look at the questions over here. These are all 2 markers, beta. These are all 2 markers. I hope you can see this on the screen. Don't worry, you can take a screenshot right now, or you can download the PDF. PDF has been given to you all in the WhatsApp channel, so I hope you have already joined that. I'll show you how to join that as well in this session itself. Okay, so PDFs are available in the WhatsApp channel and also available on our AIO page. Don't worry, I'll tell you all this how to access in this session itself. Let's look at the questions first. So this is definition based questions, okay, of continuity. Then we have 2 markers to prove. This is on the algebra of continuity. This is on the implicit function. That's on the definition of modulus function. I hope this is clear, right? So I have taken all the different aspects, different type of questions possible, and these are all taken from NCERT, from your question bank given by your official question bank of last year by board. This year question bank has yet to come. Okay, again question on implicit function. Then this is again a question on implicit function. This is going to be again question of implicit functions. Then we have over here on the trigonometric identities. Okay, this also is again, this is for chain rule. You can see these are all list of 2 marker questions. These are all list of 2 marker question, beta. Okay, moving on. Next set, okay, again on identities. This is logarithmic differentiation. This is also logarithmic differentiation. This is on implicit function. This is also logarithmic differentiation. So from the very basics to we move on to 3 marker. This onwards is your 3 marker. This is your 3 marker. Okay, so I hope the question is clear. You can take a screenshot or download the PDF. I'll tell you how to do that. Just wait till the end. I know there's no 4 marker questions, but this can be asked in 3 marks as well, right? That's why I've kept these questions over here, because they're important in nature. These are your 4 marker questions, okay, or 3 marker. You can check. This is based upon the continuity differentiation, a definition. Both of them can be asked. Moving on, for 5 marker, have a look. 5 markers are more or less they can be asked on second derivative, which is there, and all these questions of different variety have been listed over here. This on the pivotric form, this on the simple exponential function result based question, and this too is simple exponential and inverse trigonometric function question of second derivative. I hope this is clear. These are all beta 5 marker. Okay, these are the questions from your CNT, and yes, I'm going to give you solutions also for all these questions, so don't worry. Moving on, let's look at matrices chapters questions now. 2 and 3 markers. In matrices chapter, what happens? The questions are of from the properties or operations in 2 and 3 markers. Okay, have a look. This is on the linear equation form wala condition. This is on sum of the 2 matrices wala condition. This is from, okay, again comparison of 2 matrices, equal matrix. This is product of 2 matrix. This is also product of a scalar to a matrix and taking sum of that. So please take a screenshot or download the PDF. Moving on, again set of questions on 2 and 3 marker. This is from the properties of transpose of a matrix. Okay, again this is property of inverse, proving the inverse condition. If it is inverse possible means it must be unique, and yes, I've given you proof of all these questions as well. Property of skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix from where? Transpose. Okay, so all these questions are very, very important. This is property of inverse, right? This is property of skew symmetric matrix. So I have done all these questions. I'll show you how to download and get the access of notes or solutions of this. Let's look at 5 markers now. I'll not take much of your time. Here are the 5 marker questions. This is on the product and verifying the product using finding the value of this using the matrix A. This is a verification of what? Properties of multiplication of matrix. This is again distributive property over addition, and this is also same thing, right? This is for 2 cross 2 matrix. This is for 3 cross 3 matrix, but they're very simple. So this chapter itself is very simple, right? Let's move on to determinant. In determinant, what happens? Especially for the questions of MCQs, properties are directly useful. Okay, means properties of determinant, whether it is determinant of A inverse is what? 1 by determinant of A. All of that properties are very, very useful. So if you're looking for MCQs, don't worry. I'm gonna help you in the 1 markers also, because the guarantee is to what? The purpose is to get 40 out of 40, and this cannot be achieved without MCQs. And I have solutions for MCQs also. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay. Let's look at 2-3 markers of this chapter. Over here, you have area of triangle questions. You have inverse of matrix of 2 cross 2 order. You have to look for nature of solutions in the equations given. Okay, using the matrix method. So all this is also there for your 2 and 3 markers. If you look at 4 and 5 markers, again 4 can be asked in 5 marks as well as 3 marks. You have these questions. Why 4 markers? Because the 4 markers are standard for your board's blueprint. Okay, but similar question can be expected over here also. That's why I've said I've included it over here as 5 marker or 4 marker. Okay, this is the solving of determinant, basically simultaneous equations using matrix method. This will come for 5 marks if it comes. Okay, and the relation of function over here, again definition based questions are there. Only 2 properties, which is equivalence relation and one onto function. So yes, here is the list of different type of questions for equivalence relation and one onto function. Please take a screenshot. Okay, or again, there can be different type of questions also over here. For example, there can be relative questions, means when you're talking about with a relative, or zoo problem is there, right? Means an animal is present in one zoo A or another zoo B, C. That question is also there. So this kind of question can be asked in the equivalence relation property. Just be calm, understand the question statement. What is the relation? You will certainly get that, because what happens in equivalence? You have 3 cases: reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, and you have these conditions. Ordered pairs are A, A. Here we have AB and BA both present, and here we have AB, BC both present, then AC present. And I have taught you this in detail in the one-shot lecture that I have given already. Please go and watch that. Please go and refer that. Okay, clear? Moving on, these are your questions on the bijective functions. Okay, this is a clear 5 marker where you have to prove it is invertible and then also find the inverse. This also is a 5 marker. This also is a 5 marker. These are the 5 marker questions from relation and functions. Moving on with ITF. In ITF, what is tricky? That we forget the formulas of trigonometric functions, and because of that, it's difficult to simplify some of the questions. But don't worry, I have taught you that as well. I have given you one-shot lecture of both the chapters. This session's one-shot lecture has been given. Please go and watch it. I've given all the necessary formulas in this particular session. Okay, moving on. Let's look at the questions. These are all 2 markers, beta. These are all 2 marker questions. So please solve all these problems, and of course I'm going to help you solve it. Let's look at how I'm going to help you. Just give me 1 minute. I'll tell you. This is all identity based questions. I told you all to remember some results. For, please remember the result of this: cos x upon 1 minus sin x. That is tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2, right? And this is also, what is this? This is going to be, sir, cos plus sin x, cos x by 2 sin x by 2 the whole square. This result is there. 1 plus sin x is there. What is 1 plus sin x? I've taught you this. 1 plus sin x is what? Remember this. It's going to be cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2 the whole square. Please remember the results. Okay. Same over here. What is the result over here? Tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. So please, I have given you how to download, basically derive the result, and how to remember that as well. So please follow my lecture of one-shot lecture of inverse trigonometric function. Let me show you how to download the PDF. First of all, I hope all of you have subscribed to the channel. If you have not subscribed right now, the session will be very, very helpful. All the things that we are doing on the channel will be very helpful for your preparations. Okay, and share this session with anyone, any friend of yours that is struggling in maths or wants to study with me. Let them know that, okay, this is Ankit sir and he teaches okay or good, whatever is your feedback on the channel of Diksha Karnataka. Okay, so let me show you how to download PDFs. So one thing is clear from WhatsApp channel. So let's quickly check. This is our platform. Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel is there. Okay, now if you go, so let's check any video. For example, let's check. I'm going to take the example of Comic Sir's video coming today for your, basically this is Comic Sir's video, which is going to be live for all of you for your preparation of FA1. Now, if you check on the description, this is your video description, right? If you go and check over here, what are you going to find? You will find beta here, few links provided, and you'll find here as well, join Diksha KCET WhatsApp channel. Okay, so if you join this WhatsApp channel, you will get all the schedule regarding information, all the updates regarding the classes, notes, PDF, all will be available in this. So please check, join Diksha KCET WhatsApp channel. Join that right now. Okay, and one more thing. There's something called as AIO, all in one page. This is a very unique and next gen free learning platform for all of you bacha. How can you download it? So how can you access that? Not download it, of course. If you check in the description of any session that is there on our platform, check. Join the free. You can check in this class also. Join the free ACE KCET 2027 course now. If you click on the link, this page will open like this. Simply, this page will open for all of you. Vedantu ACE KCET 2027. This is the title of this particular page. You can go and check it out. If you come over here and click on buy now, you can see the price is kept as 0 rupees. So there is no charge for that. And if you click on buy now, you have to create a login credential. Let me check. Yeah, it's loading, right? You have to create a login credential using your phone OTP, and once you have done that, you can start using the platform to learn. What are you going to find over here? You can see what is available for all of you. One second. Let me show you right here. Just a second, guys. Okay, so this is little bit, I think net is a little bit slow over here. That's why. But let me just try to show you once again. One second, just a second. I want to show you what you're going to get in this platform. So you're going to get sample papers. Okay, sample papers you're going to get notes, you're going to get lectures that is there. You will have full schedule. You can ask your doubts also. So all will be available over here in the platform itself. Okay, in the learning platform of AIO itself. Okay, check here. Classes by class like teachers are there. Okay, then we have in-class quizzes and leaderboard. We also have what do you call, after the class you get assignments, class notes. Of course you get some of the materials also, but this is some of them are available only for paid batches, but even for free we have tried to provide whatever best we can from our side. Okay, so you'll get PDF for free for sure. We're gonna also upload sample papers, and for FA1 we can upload more questions, and of course in the upcoming classes that is going to happen, we'll upload questions and practice sets also for all of you. Okay, so please join this, please make use of this AIO page for all of you. I hope this is clear. What is AIO page, how to download the notes, how to download and join all this platform available for all of you for free to benefit you all in a serious learning environment for a serious student. Okay, again here are the questions. Let's move on then. Okay, so these are the list of questions given. So again, one more thing, solutions, sir. So solutions, you did not tell solutions, sir. Solution of all these questions have also been done. Okay, let me show you. If you go and check in the live section of our channel Diksha Karnataka live section, you'll find two sessions: FA1 marathon second PUC, relation inverse trigonometric function, and CND. This session and this session, both these sessions, if you check, I have solved each and every question alongside MCQs in detail. Okay, in detail. So please refer these sessions for solutions of all these important questions for your FA1 math. Okay, I have included 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker, all type of problems, and abundant number of questions, so that it's going to be a good preparation for you. You'll be confident going in the examination. So yes, how to download notes is clear. From where to get the solutions also clear. Any other doubt you have, put that in the comment section right now. That's all in this class. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye and all the best.